My name is Asanga Sakya, and I'm from the Khöndong family lineage, which is responsible for the founding of the Sakya school of Tibetan Buddhism, which is one of the 4 schools of Tibetan Buddhism. And I am among the younger generation of lineage holders. Well, depression or unhappiness, mental unhappiness, is a state of mind. It is not something which is external, right? So it's within, it's internal. So in Buddhism, the teachings of Buddhism are mainly focused on the inner state of the mind, and how to alter the mind when His Holiness is already at such an age. And His Holiness has put much trust and hope in the younger generation. And so we should do our best to fulfill His Holiness's wishes. We should all be happy, right? And we should try our best to be happy for ourselves and also bring happiness into the lives of others.